everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another Continental knitting tutorial. Today I want to show you guys how to purl through the back loop. In times past I have covered the topic of knitting through the back loop, so this time I thought I'd switch it up. You don't really run across the abbreviation for this stitch often. It is ptbl, but it's not that difficult to do. So what I want to do is bring my yarn forward as though to purl. And instead of going into this front loop from right to left, what I'm going to do is come to the back of my needle and behind this back loop. So it might take some fiddling, but you basically end up inserting your needle from left to right through that back loop, so that it comes out the front like so, and then you wrap your yarn as though to purl like you normally would. Okay, we can do that again. Again, coming to the back of our work from right to left, we're going to insert our needles into that stitch and come out the front. You're going to yarn over and purl as you normally would. And eventually you get into a whole rhythm of it, especially if you are working a pattern that calls for this stitch. But as I stated at the beginning of this video, it's not often that you have to do that. Alright, and that's all there is to it, and that's what your purl stitches look like as you complete this process. I hope this quick video was helpful for you. If so, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future knitting content from me. I typically post knitting tutorials on Wednesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST. You can follow me over on Instagram, where you'll see lots of my whip pictures for crochet and knit projects, and you'll also see my handmade pottery, which I make for the craft room. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, happy making. This video is brought to you by my supporters on Ko-fi. Thank you so much. Your donations help drive the creativity behind all the content under Infiniti Crafting Co.